Hey guys, Jay here, and today I'm styling a wig for Gambit from X-Men. Okay, well, kind of. So this is an old wig that I've had for a while, and it's actually cut and styled for the character Blue from Pokemon Red and Blue, which Atlas and I used to cosplay until I got Gorilla Glue all over my red jacket. So now we have no use for this, and rather than buy a new wig, I figured this is already the color I want, so I'll just use it. I actually first washed the wig off camera as best that I could, which was hard because it's been sitting in a storage bin for a couple of years with hairspray still in it, so it kind of didn't want to come out. But once that dried, I was able to continue. As you can see, I'm using hairspray and then using my hands to manipulate where the hair goes, and then I use a comb to make the hair look as nice as I can. At some points, I also hold the hairdryer right up against the wig on the highest setting for a few seconds, which softens the fibers so they can easily be curved in the other direction. When this was for Blue, the hair goes in the opposite direction, pointing to the left of the wearer, while Gambit's hair spikes to the right. So I have to do this in order to force the fibers to go the correct direction. To spike the parts that I want to be, well, spiked, I use hairspray to wet the hair, and then I use my hands to clump everything together, and then use the comb to straighten everything out. And this is actually kind of hard since this wig didn't want to really completely wash out all the way. But also this wig head is very loose on its little holder thing, so as you try to pull the clumps to one side, for example on the front or back, the entire wig head will just spin around. This will cause the hair to go in the wrong direction, so just be careful if that happens to you. I don't have another spare head right now, so I have to make do with this one. The others are all being used. And I basically keep repeating the spiking steps over and over, pretty much at random or wherever looks good, until I end up with something I like. I also cut down a lot of the spikes because the way the wig was cut makes everything a little weird, so there's some longer and some shorter strands that lump together, as well as I also massively cut off a lot of the rest of the hair that will be under the headgear thing, because you're not even going to see this anyway, and having it shorter will make it less hot in there. It's already super hot wearing this thing, so I need all of the help I can get. But honestly, after that, the entire wig is done.